Okay, hello everyone, welcome to Style's Kitchen. All right, just coming back. As you can see, guess what? Can you guess what we're gonna make today? We are gonna be making Agonyi, mashed beans with sauce. So I'm just coming back. I just want to let you guys know that we are gonna go right into the kitchen now and make Agonyi. Oh, I'm so happy because so here are the ingredients we're gonna be using for the sauce. So here I have my habanero pepper, tatache, fresh tomato, onion, palm oil, red crushed pepper, crayfish, salt, and stock cube. I already have my beans in the pot cooking. I'm going to cook these beans until it gets very, very soft. And after that, I'm going to mash it. I'll be showing you guys how I did it. Okay, so next I'm going to be blending the peppers and tomatoes. So I start by adding the tomatoes to the blender, then add peppers, throw everything into the blender, pepper, the onion. So I'm going to be adding a little water, and then we blend. We're not going to blend it finely. We're just going to give it an easy clean. So after that, I'm going to be sieving it, put it in my sieve and let all the water out. You can choose to boil this to dry the excess water, but I don't like boiling. So after that, just add some palm oil in the pot and leave the palm oil to heat. I'm not gonna bleach it. So the palm oil I've heated, I'm gonna add my onion, and I'm gonna leave this onion to fry very well until it turns to black. So shaking on the beans now, as you can see, the beans is soft. Yeah, our beans is soft. As you can see, can you see that? So it's time to mash it up now. So after mashing it, here is our Agonyi. Our Agonyi is ready. Can you see that? So let's go back to the sauce. As you can see, the onion have fried very well. So now I'll be adding my blended peppers to it, and I'm going to fry them also until they turn black. I'm going to add my crayfish and my stock cubes and then keep frying. So after frying, I added a little more palm oil, and here is our Agonyi sauce ready. The buka style, the style we used to eat back home at the buka in Nigeria. So our sauce is ready, and that is it. I'm going to be serving it with the beans. So that's how and that will be it will be going down with bread. All right guys, thank you for watching. If you like my video, always give me a thumb up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.